Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change your PayPal address. It's very easy thing to do. You can do it from PayPal website or you can do it also from the app or your Android or iOS set. So, how can you do it? First, go to paypal.com and log in with your credentials. Then, what you have to do, you will see a bunch of options here. Then, what you have to do, you will see a gear icon here. Select it. It will be redirected to your settings page. From here, you will see account settings, security setting, data and privacy setting, payment setting, notifications, and others. So from here, in the right side, you will see emails, phone numbers, addresses. Uh, in order to change your select edit from here. Now, if you then you have to select your address line 1 and address line 2. Then enter your town or city. Now choose your country, then enter your postcode and then select update, and that's it. That's how you can change your addresses on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like